Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Anyway, I've been asked to have a look at this Worcester Bosch. It's an old client of mine. I've been here before. They asked me to have a service the boiler for them. So before I service the boiler, I want to test it out in central heating and hot water. If you enjoyed the video, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, guys, I'm working on this Worcester Bosch. The customers asked me to come down. Can you service the boiler? The winter's about to start, so I've come with the mind frame of servicing this boiler. And once I've come here, this is important, guys. Check before you start service. Yeah, the central heating is not working. Now, if the central heating is not working, you service the boiler, and then you find out the central heating is not working. What are you gonna do then? Do you get me? Do you understand? So I'll be honest with you. I don't normally check before I start doing servicing, and once I do, I've been caught out in the past. So you have to. It's very important to check the boiler, the hot water and the central heating individually before you start the service. Otherwise, you're stuck with the problem. Before I start service, I need to make sure the central heating is working. So I've taken this clock off, the built-in clock, and it automatically goes on mode, central heating on mode. It's supposed to come on fired up, but unfortunately it didn't. So next stage is going to be the external room start. We're going to check that out. Now guys, if you got a broken down boiler in Birmingham or South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, we repair all your favorite boilers from Biasi, Worcester Bosch, Vaillant and many more. We also offer Landlord Gas Safety Certificates and a boiler service. We do we repair Gledhill boilers too, water tanks, S plans, Y plans. So don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Right, that's the external room start. Oops. Okay, that's a clue. Yeah, maybe that isn't working. It's broken. So we're gonna have to loop that and see what happens then.
As I say, we haven't used that for a long time, partly because if ever we.
Right, guys, I've looped it to external room start over here. So if you see the blue wire, I've looped it across. We're going to test it out. We're going to put the power on and we're going to test it out and see what happens. If it works from here, that means we need to change the external room start, the Drayton room start. But if it doesn't, then we got to dig deeper. Let's see what happens now. Right, guys, I'm going to put this back. To be honest with you, I don't think it's faulty. But when you take it off, the boiler goes into automatic on mode for the central heating. Radiator's working fine, so I'm going to switch the power off. And I'm going to put this back on. Last thing I want to do is with the power on and trying to connect this cable and you short it in some way. I don't know if you can do it, but I don't feel like taking that risk anyway. So I'm just going to take the power off. The flow pipe's hotting up. Radiators downstairs are heating up. And all I've done is loop the thermostat downstairs. So I'm going to make them wires secure and safe. Some tape on them or something. Okay, and then put everything back. I needed 2 hands to put that in. And we're just going to put the screw in. Right guys, the central heating is on now, yeah? But if you want to switch it off, there you go, it's off. And they want to put it back on again, on, and that's it. Okay, that's it. And I'm going to switch it back now, off, because they want it in an off position. Right guys, sorted this one out. Central heating wasn't working, so the room stat downstairs was faulty on it. I've bypassed it. On a later date, if they want another room stat, they can do it. Until then, they can just switch it on from here. This clock is working fine. I've just tested it out. It's all good now. The boiler's working fine. So basically, if they want to change the room stat, I'll come back on a later date and switch it out from. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.